Plan your content. Plan and create high-quality content that is engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience. Optimize your video title, description, and tags. Use keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help your video appear in search results and attract viewers. Choose an eye-catching thumbnail. Use an eye-catching thumbnail image that accurately represents your video content and is visually appealing. Add annotations and captions. Annotations and captions can help make your video more accessible and engaging for viewers. Set video privacy settings. Choose the appropriate privacy settings for your video, such as public or private, depending on your intended audience. Share your video. Share your video on social media platforms and other relevant websites to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers to build a community around your content.